Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make your thumbnails using Canva application. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment and like the video and turn on your notification post. So what I'm doing basically is to search for a simple already made thumbnail, and I'll just scroll to see other option and just select the one I feel I really want to work with. It's simple and easy to work with. So what you need to do is to click on the image and select the image you want to put on there, as well as change the words on the thumbnails, and you just adjust the shape to whatever you want to do. You can remove and add, it's just left to you. It's your choice. So I'll just be moving or reducing the gray rectangle shape, and I'll be placing that back, and I'll change the wordings to what I want it to be. So I think I'll select a text. I might choose to use this style, and I might choose to change these as well. If you are yet to see how I make my my intro video, it is more detailed, so you could check that as well to see how to create a simple and easy intro video. So what I'm just doing here is to impute the information I want to pass on. Like, your thumbnail helps to attract viewers to your channel, and it gives like a brief detail of what your video is all about. So I'm just simply putting that here, and that's just it. It's very easy, it's very simple, and this is the first step, or the first type of thumbnail, if you don't want to go through the stress of recreating on your own. I'm trying to adjust the size, and I felt like changing the color. You can change the color to whatever color you want. All of this was taught in details in my previous video, so if you have not seen it, you can just go back or click on the card above here and to watch those other videos. I'm increasing the heights, the line height, and the letter spacing, and that's just it. So what you want to do is to save your thumbnail. That's it. We're done with the first step. Simple and easy. So the second one is to click on the blank space, and you want to add an image to it. So you select any image of your choice, and you place it and move to the direction you want the image to stay. Then you increase the size if you want it big, if you want it to occupy, just depending on what you want. Increase the size and you place. I think that's good. You can change the background color to whichever color you feel you want it to be, but I think I'll prefer to stick with the white. I I think white is very easy to work with. You can make it transparent, you can make it dark, and all. So I'm trying to select a text or a text style I want to use, and I'm just imputing the information I want to pass across. So that's just it. How to achieve a Nigerian bridal look using ashoke. Ashoke is a type of fabric used by majorly the Yoruba tribe in Nigeria. Yes, so that's what the lady in the picture is putting on. Her headgear is tied properly with a side material fabric, ashoke. Yeah, so that's just it. I'm increasing the size of the text, and I'm trying to place the text properly. Now you can use any style of your choice. It just depends on what you want to create. Like I said, my previous video is more detailed, so you have to go and watch that to understand more of what I'm doing here. So that's just it, and this is what the first look and this is what the second one looks like. So here is another method, and in this you just click on the background and place the image you want an image to be our background. And what I'm doing here is to edit it, increase the contrast, the brightness, the saturation, and I had to blur. So because I'm blurring because I want to place another image on it. You understand? Like in the previous one, the white background, the white color was our background, but this one an image is our background. So I had to blur that out so the viewers will not get distracted by what is at the background. And I'm just going to put this by the side of what I want, and that's just it. Placing it where I want it to be, so it will be slant, and that's all. You can actually achieve this as well. If you don't want these lines to show, the sharp edges to show, you can remove the background. I'll be making a video on how to remove your picture background. Yes, so just watch out. Click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop the next video. So what I'm just doing is to impute. I'm using the same style, the information I want to, how to achieve a Nigerian bridal look using ashoke, and I'll change the color. I changed the color to white. I prefer white to be able to see. It's more visible than using darker shade because using darker color because of the background. So yellow looks nice as well. I'm just trying to make that sit properly, and that's just it. We are done. So I prefer to create my own thumbnails than using already made ones, because virtually a majority of people are using the Canva app, so you wouldn't want every other person using the same thing you're using. So we are done. You can add any other thing, illustration, anything, and yeah, that's just it. You can edit it as well. I edited it, and that's all. It's simple, it's easy. You save your video, your thumbnail, and that's it. So this is what. So guys, this is what it looks like. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to turn on your notification post. This is the first one using the first simple template step. Then the second one we made, and the third one as well. I hope you learned something. See you in my next video. Bye.